Hello everyone, I'm Jingyu. Welcome to my channel. I will share Chinese language learning courses on my channel and talking about Chinese culture. If you are interested in Chinese and want to learn some Chinese knowledge, please follow my channel. I will continue update relevant content. Okay, today we are going to learn how to count 1 to 10 in modern Chinese. After this lesson, you can say phone numbers, flight numbers, and train numbers in Chinese. Let's start. 0 is 零. Please repeat. 零 零 零. 1 pronounced 一 一. Please repeat. 一一一. Next, number 2 is 二. Please repeat. 二二二. Number 3 is 三. Please repeat. 三三三. Good. Now we have learned 4 numbers. Let's review. 零一二三. Very good. Let's continue. Number 4 is 四. The pronunciation sounds similar to 死, which means death in Chinese. So we consider number 4 as unlucky. Please repeat. 四四四. Number 5 pronounced 五. Please repeat. 五五五. Now let's review. 零一二三四五. Very good. Let's continue. Number 6. 六. Please repeat. 六六六. Okay, let's look at number 7. 七. Please repeat. 七七七. Very good. Number 8 is 八. 8 is considered as a lucky number in China because the pronunciation 八 sounds like fa, which means west. Please repeat after me. 八八八. Let's review what we have learned so far. 零一二三四五六七八. Very good. Let's continue. Number 9 is 九. Please repeat. 九九九. Last one. 10 is 十. Please repeat. 十十十. Okay, let's review what we learned today. 零 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. Also, in certain situations, such as phone numbers, train numbers, or flight numbers, the number 1 is pronounced as 1, which is a word to confuse number 7. 1 is 1. That sounds similar, right? So, in this case, we say 1. Please repeat after me. 1. 1. 1. Let's look at some examples. Chinese alarm telephone number is 110. You can say 110. Please repeat. 110. 110. The urgency number is 120, pronounced as 120. 120. Please repeat. 120. 120. The fire urgency number is 119, pronounced as 119. Please repeat. 119. 119. Okay, finally, if you want to see your flight number is CA1406 to your friend, you can say CA1406. CA1406. Okay, let's review today's lesson. 0、1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. The number 1 is pronounced 1 in some situation, like the alarm number 110, the urgency number 120, and the file number 119, and the flight number CA1406. Okay, that is all in this video. Feel free to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Practice documents are available below the video. You can download if you need. If you are interested in my channel and want to learn some Chinese, please follow my channel. Goodbye!